What's good, everyone? It's Newman here. I'm back again with another video. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to add payment method to your Binance account. Okay, so it's a very simple process. Let's just get to it. So you click on the avatar on the top left corner, and then you can see below you have referral payment method. You click on payment methods. So here is where you can select or change your payment methods. But for this video, you click on P2P payment method. Okay, so as you can see, I have EcoBank and then MTN mobile money already linked to my Binance account. So tap on add payment method. So there are a couple of payment methods here or banks that you can choose to add. I'll just search for United Bank. Okay, so United Bank for Africa. So you input the account number. I'll just copy and paste. Okay, so when you're done, you just click on confirm below. Here you'll be asked to input a 6-digit code. Okay, so you tap on send code. Take note that the code will be sent to the mobile number displayed over there, so you make sure that you have it in a device, okay, in order to receive the verification code. Okay, so I'll just input and then click submit. Okay, so just like that, your payment method has been added, or your bank account has been added to your Binance payment method. You can see I've just received a confirmation message from UBA. Okay, so this is how to add your bank account or any other form of payment method to your Binance account. Make sure to give a like and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed already. I do videos on Binance, basically Binance tutorial videos. Okay, so I have a playlist for that, so click on the link in the description below and check that out, especially if you are just getting started on Binance. Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.